Ollama and LM Studio both run the exact same AI models on your own computer. Same models, same output quality. So which one should you actually use? In this video, we're comparing installation, model access, API support, and memory usage, so you can pick the right tool in the next 5 minutes. Let's start with a quick version. Ollama is terminal first, built for developers who want an API. LM Studio is a desktop app, built for people who just want a chat window. Ollama runs as a background service. LM Studio only runs while the app is open. If you're comfortable with a terminal and want to build on top of local AI, that's Ollama. If you want zero setup and a ChatGPT style interface, that's LM Studio. Installation looks completely different for each tool. Ollama installs with one line in your terminal. Curl, install.sh, pipe to sh. Then you pull a model and run it. 2 commands and you're chatting with a local model. LM Studio has no terminal step at all. You download the installer for your operating system, open it like any other app, and search for a model right inside the interface. Ollama is faster if you like the terminal. LM Studio takes a bigger download but needs zero command line knowledge. Now, the biggest practical difference between these two tools. Model selection. Ollama maintains a curated library, about 100 well-tested models, pre-optimized, ready to run. LM Studio connects directly to Hugging Face. That's over 100,000 models. Any fine-tune, any niche variant, any experimental release. For the popular models, Llama, Mistral, Qwen, Gemma, both tools give you the exact same weights. The difference only shows up when you want something obscure. Here's where Ollama pulls ahead for developers. The API. Ollama exposes a full REST API automatically. No setup, no toggle, it's just running the moment Ollama starts. And it's OpenAI compatible, so any app built for OpenAI's API works with Ollama just by changing the base URL. LM Studio also has an OpenAI compatible server, but you have to start it manually inside the app, and the app has to stay open the whole time. For scripts, automations, or anything running on a server, Ollama is the practical choice. LM Studio's API only works while you're sitting there with the app open. Let's talk memory, because this one's a real gap. Ollama idles at around 50 megabytes of RAM. LM Studio idles at 300 to 500 megabytes. That's because LM Studio is a full desktop app with its own rendering engine. Ollama is just a lean background service. Both tools use the same inference engine underneath, so once a model is actually loaded and generating text, speed is identical. This difference is purely about what's running before you even load a model. So, which one should you actually pick? Choose Ollama if you're building scripts, automations, or a server backend, and you're fine with the terminal. Choose LM Studio if you want a chat interface with zero setup, or you need one of those niche, fine-tuned models from Hugging Face. And here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't have to pick one forever. Both tools read the same model format, so you're never locked in. That's the full comparison. Interface, installation, models, API access, and memory, all laid out side by side. The full written guide with every command and every table is linked in the description. And if you want daily breakdowns like this one, subscribe to our free newsletter. Link's right there too.